Mobile and tablet responsive web design is critical to creating high-converting pages and funnels, especially with more and more online traffic choosing to browse from their mobile devices. ConvertPages allows you to build high-converting responsive pages for mobile using a unique combination of bootstrap-like structure and freeform design. When building out your pages in desktop view, ConvertPages automatically scales down the content to fit tablet and mobile views for your visitors. To change the view to tablet or mobile, click on the corresponding icon, desktop, tablet, or mobile at the bottom of the left side panel. Changes made initially in desktop view will be applied to all views, but changes made to tablet view will only apply to tablet view, and changes made to mobile view will only apply to mobile view. Editing your pages in tablet view will function the same way as you would edit your pages on desktop, but any changes you make will only display after the tablet breakpoint is activated. Changes that you may want to make on tablet may include hiding certain elements or rearranging the design for certain sections. For example, if you have a process section that is meant to display information horizontally in 4 columns on desktop, you may choose to split up the design to have 2 rows of 2 columns each for a more fluid user experience on tablet. Mobile as the next builder breakpoint is a truly unique building experience in ConvertPages that is congruent with the builder structure going from sections to groups and blocks to elements. As you can see in mobile view, each section and each block containing elements is stacked one on top of the other. This is done so that rearranging your pages is as simple as clicking the Rearrange button for sections or just dragging blocks up and down visually on the page. Utilizing a structured system for mobile has the advantage of keeping everything in neat alignment, making mobile designing quick and workable for most design scenarios without having to edit large areas of your pages. For example, in a typical features section for a funnel, you see multiple items of text next to a graphic display of the information being presented. In ConvertPages, this section will require almost no editing in mobile if designed properly using ConvertPages' built-in mobile structure. We recommend in most cases that you add each of the text and the button elements within the same block to make elements align automatically through the block settings. Then, in mobile, you can see that this block displays almost identically to how you would expect based off of the desktop design. On the other hand, continuing with the example of a typical features section, you also have a graphic alongside the on-page text. And whereas an auto-aligned block is ideal for text that needs to stay together, a graphic that can have multiple layers, animations, and design elements is better suited for the builder's freeform capabilities. To give users the ability to create deep-level and dynamic graphics while also maintaining structure on their mobile sites, ConvertPages gives you the ability to utilize the freeform capabilities of the builder inside the mobile editor in 2 ways. The first option we recommend is to make mobile responsive graphics and pages using groups. Groups allow you to move, resize, and transform multiple elements all at once while still maintaining the design as a whole. To learn all of the in-depth details about editing your groups, refer to our Groups video under Builder Basics in Onboarding. Because in mobile, ConvertPages treats blocks as stackable and rearrangeable pieces, if your layered graphics are not grouped, they will all be separated into their broken down blocks, giving you an output that looks something like this. This is easily solved by putting your graphics into groups. And now, in mobile, your designs will maintain the proper ratios one to another, and you can freely move your images and shapes around inside of the group because the builder is treating the group as the parent block. The second option is found inside of Block Settings under the Responsive tab. To move an individual object in freeform on mobile, simply toggle on Disable Auto Adjust on mobile. This will release your element from the auto-aligned block structure in mobile to where you can freely move it around your mobile page. Note, it is not recommended you do this for every element on your page. Most web pages have a necessary structure and alignment that keeps the content organized and easy to read, which is reflected in ConvertPages' default mobile block structure. Sizing your pages in mobile inside of ConvertPages is simple. Starting from the section settings, you have two options for the height of your settings: 100% or auto. 100% will give you the maximum height for a section on mobile for you to fit your content inside, whereas auto will automatically adjust your section height to fit the content inside of the section. Because the automatic height is set by the block content, to adjust the height in this setting, just drag any block you would like to space up or down, and you will see the section dynamically grow or shrink accordingly. Adjustments like this can easily be made by dragging, but they can also be made precisely by adjusting the block settings. Under the Container tab in Block Settings, you can add or subtract padding, top spacing, or bottom spacing, giving you maximum control over the output of your mobile designs and pages. You can also adjust the width and size of your block content manually by dragging the block handles left or right. With this option, because ConvertPages auto-aligns block content to the left side of the builder, to adjust the left side, simply add margin to your desired amount on the left side of the block inside of Advanced Block Settings. By following these guidelines, designing pages on mobile inside of ConvertPages is a fast and simple process that outputs multi-layered and complex designs while maintaining the necessary structure that helps keep your mobile page visitors engaged with your content.